Okay, let's introduce the interface. Open. Both English and Chinese. We choose English. Enter system. We can hear the ultrasonic sound. Okay, this is the master is the main page. Okay, we can see. This is all shows. This is status shows. This is detect. Every time when we power on, it will detect the frequency, power, temperature, input voltage, and others. Okay, let's see. This is count. How many times we just tested. This is a signal. This is normal. Normal means okay. Okay. If not normal, it will alarm. This horn up is for here, for horn. If we sometimes we want to it goes down, we can press it. Like this. Okay, home down. Sometimes if we want to adjust this position for the product, need to use here, or we directly press this button, this green button here. This green button is for this route. Okay. Okay, this is for welding. For welding quality, we mainly is adjust here. Amplitude, like our product, 35. Like product 35 square meter, and plate is around 0.6 millimeter thickness. We tested is amplitude 60 and 1 second.
这是需要跟他说。
哎 ，OK， 这我刚刚说的。
晓得。
那我刚刚讲了的。This is test also. When we test ultrasonic. Like here, the same. Okay. Very simple, very easy to set the parameter. Okay, this is the first page. This is another page here. Many is for here. Okay. For set the first is set the amplitude. Second is set the time. Welding time, like now what we just said. Maybe for this product, one second. Okay, if we just enter 1. We suggest use time mode. We also have, you can say, energy mode, but we suggest use time mode. Okay. And this delay time. Here we see delay time. Delay time is because the horn goes up and down, it needs time. So we set this delay time to shoot it. Okay, this welding time. This is cooling time. Cooling time is after the energy. After the energy, it will stay this time. 2 delays and 2 ultrasonics. This is for sometimes if the wire is stick to the upper horn, here. This upper horn, we need to set this ultrasonic to make the wire easy move from the horn. Okay. This is blowing time. Blowing time is for cooling. For this cooling. Blow how much time to cooling the horn. More power. We need cooling more times. Okay. This also hold down. This parameter is for quality control. Is this limit? Time limit, lower limit, upper minute. And this is energy, lower minute, upper minute. Like this, here is a function open, but here function off. Yellow is off, green is open. If we did not use record, this is a parameter we recorded. Like just now, what we tested is energy 71, power 240 and 35, amplitude 40, like this. We give a big energy, power, amplitude. Okay. Is just now we last. This is just only tested power. If when we're welding here, if it is in the range, then we think it is okay. If this one like now, this one is bigger than the upper minute, then it will show NG. If we open here, okay, this is close. Normally we set close, depend on customer. Okay. When we use, we set here and here. Okay. This is record data. This is save the data. This is data save. Okay, can save to USB. Okay.
간단한 거는 네가 써.
Sorry. Just like this.